Energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP.
You are welcome to the third contest of the 2025 Goil Regional Championship of the National Science and Maths Quiz in the Ashanti region. In this contest are Presby Senior High School, Bompata, Afua Kobi Ampem Senior High School, TI Amass, Kumasi, and Prempeh College. Presby Senior High School, Bompata is represented by
Yao Oforipo Akwa
and
Amuajo Judea.
Presby Senior High School. Is this your first contest this year? You were in the qualifiers.
Yes, please.
So what are you looking forward to?
Nothing but the best.
I didn't hear.
Nothing but the best.
Nothing but the best. I wish you all the best. If I could be Ampem, you're also coming from the regional qualifiers. Welcome back.
Thank you.
If I could be Ampem is represented by
Adoma Kimball and Boatin.
and
Annabelle say Chumesi.
So Kimberly and Annabelle, what are your projections for this contest?
We are expecting to be the best school today, and we hope that God manifests His works through us today.
I wish you the best. TI Amass Kumasi is represented by
Ibrahim Goba Raouf
and
Prempeh Elisha Ofori.
Goba and Elisha. What do you hope to achieve at the end of this contest?
Nothing but victory.
Come again.
Nothing but victory.
I wish you the best. Prempeh College is represented by
J. Benedict Queening
and
Martin Kweku.
so Prempeh College, you were seeded from last year, so you are welcome. What are your projections for this contest?
So we hope that God will see us through this contest and make us successful.
I wish you the best. The Goil Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Goil PLC with support from Momo from MTN and Joy News. We say a big thank you to Charles for preparing our contestants to be here for the competition. My name is Dr. Gladys Odeshringa, your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. Contestants, we have 4 rounds of competition, each with its rules. But in all rounds, you're going to answer questions from physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. You have 30 seconds for questions involving calculations and 10 for those not involving calculations. You have just 1 attempt at answering. So should you be asked to repeat your answer, kindly repeat, don't change. In round 1, each school will get a question. You answer correctly for a maximum of 3 points. When you are wrong, or you don't answer, and the bell goes out on you, another school may answer correctly for a bonus point or lose a point when they are wrong. If you want to pick a bonus, wait for me to tell the school that answered that they are wrong. Or wait for the bell to go out on them when they don't answer before you ring your bell. If you ring your bell before any of these two scenarios, you won't be called to give an answer. Let's make sure our bells are working. I saw others testing earlier. So Presby Senior High School, Afua, Kobi, Ampem, Amass, Prempeh College. Good. We are satisfied all our bells are working. I wish you all the best for the first round. I'll be starting the first round with Presby Senior High School. For our first set of questions, we have a preamble that reads, find the capacitance of an air-filled parallel plate capacitor of area A and plate separation D as given. Find the capacitance of an air-filled parallel plate capacitor of area A and plate separation D as given. Presby Senior High School, Bompata. A equals 25 centimeters squared and D equals 0.20 millimeter. 0.20 millimeter. Joel, go ahead.
We have 1.1 by 10 to the power negative 11 farad.
Incorrect. Amass.
1.1 by 10 exponent negative 10 farad.
That is correct. Afua, Kobi, Ampem. A equals 45 centimeters squared and D equals 0.25 millimeter. Yes, Kimberly.
8.9 by 10 to an exponent of 10 farad.
Incorrect. Amass.
5.5 by 10 exponent.
Incorrect. Amass. A equals 64 centimeters squared and D equals 0.16 millimeter. Go ahead, go back.
3.5 by 10 raised to the power negative 8 farad.
Incorrect. Prempeh College.
3.5 by 10 raised to an exponent of negative 10 farad.
Correct. Prempeh College. A equals 72 centimeters squared and D equals 0.16 millimeter. Kweku.
The capacitance is given by 4.0 by 10 raised to an exponent of negative 10 farad.
Correct. So if for Kobi Ampem, your answer should have been 0.16 nanofarad. Preamble to all schools. In how many ways can a group of 10 men be divided into? In how many ways can a group of 10 men be divided into Presby Senior High? Two groups of 5 each. Two groups of 5 each.
Okay, so we have 20 ways.
20
Ways.
incorrect. Afua Kobi Ampem, a group of 6 and a group of 4. Kimberly.
210 ways.
Correct. Amass, a group of 3 and a group of 7. Elisha.
120 ways.
Correct. Prempeh College, a group of 8 and a group of 2. Go ahead. Benedict.
45 ways.
Correct. So Presby, yours should have been 252 ways. So this is a common request of all of you. When I get to you, you give me your answer. So in no particular order, give one notable external morphological change that occurs between cleavage and emergence of limbs in the life cycle of a frog. In no particular order, give one notable external morphological change that occurs between cleavage and emergence of limbs in the life cycle of a frog. Presby Senior High School, yours.
The size of the frog increases.
Incorrect. Afua Kobi Ampem.
The tail of the frog. In the new stage.
Incorrect. T.I. Amass. Go ahead, go back.
Formation of external gills.
I'll give to you. Prempeh College.
Okay, so they develop lungs.
They develop
Lungs for respiration.
lungs. Incorrect. So there are 4. The tailbud forms, so formation of the tailbud. Then emergence of tail. Then the gills, emergence of the gills. Then growth of skin fold over the external gills, which is also called the spiracle formation. Preamble to all schools. Give the chemical formula of the compound that can be formed between the given pair of ions. Give the chemical formula of the compound that can be formed between the given pair of ions. Presby Senior High School. Calcium ion and nitrate ion.
Okay, so we have Ca into bracket NO3 bracket close subscript 2.
Correct. Afua Kobi Ampem. Strontium ion and chromate ion. Go ahead, Kimberly.
S R C R subscript 2 O subscript 7.
Incorrect. Presby Senior High.
S R C R O 3.
Incorrect. It is SRCRO4. Ti Amass. Magnesium ion and permanganate ion. Go by.
MgMnO4.
Incorrect. Presby Senior High.
Mj into bracket MnO4 bracket close subscript 2.
Correct. Prempeh College. Quiet, please. Audience, as soon as you hear me mention the next school, please stop clapping, okay? Thank you. Prempeh College. Aluminium ion and sulfate ion. Go ahead, Kweku.
Al subscript 2 bracket open SO4 bracket close subscript 3.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. Determine the gravitational potential, the given distance from a spherical object whose gravitational potential has magnitude 2.4 megajoule per kilogram at 2.5 megameters from its center. Audience, please, I need you to be quiet so that my contestants here, because of whom you are here, would hear their questions, okay? Thank you. Determine the gravitational potential, the given distance from a spherical object whose gravitational potential has magnitude 2.4 megajoules per kilogram at 2.5 megameters from its center. Presby Senior High, 3.5 megameters from its center.
So we have it to be 1.4 by 10 raised to the power 8 joule.
Incorrect. Prempeh College.
1.4 megajoule per kilogram.
Incorrect. Afua Kobi Ampem, 4.0 megameter from its center. Kimberly.
1.5 megajoule.
Incorrect. Presby Senior High.
1.5 megajoule per kilogram.
Incorrect. TI Amass, 5.4 megameters from its center. Go back.
1.1 megajoule per kilogram.
Incorrect. Prempeh College, 7.5 megameters from its center. Go ahead, Benedict.
0.60 megajoule per kilogram.
Incorrect. So Presby, Bompata, negative 1.7 megajoule per kilogram. Afua Kobi Ampem, negative 1.5 megajoule per kilogram. TI Amass, negative 1.1 megajoule per kilogram. Prempeh College, negative 0.79 megajoule per kilogram. Preamble to all schools. A particle moves on a straight line with constant acceleration and initial velocity u. So constant acceleration and initial velocity u and a final velocity v after time t. Find distance traveled given. Preamble again. A particle moves on a straight line with a constant acceleration and initial velocity u and a final velocity v after time t. Find distance traveled given. Presby Senior High. U equals 2 meters per second. V equals 6 meters per second. T equals 2 seconds.
Eight meters.
Correct. Afua, Kobi, Ampem. U equals 0 meter per second. V equals 4 meter per second. T equals 3 seconds. Go ahead, Kimberly.
0.8 meters.
Incorrect. Presby.
6 meters.
Correct. T.I. Amass. U equals 16 meters per second. V U equals 16 meters per second. V equals 10 meters per second. T equals 4 seconds.
Seconds. 50 meters.
Incorrect. Afua, Kobi, Ampem.
320 meters.
320
meters.
Incorrect. Prempeh College. U equals 11 meters per second. V equals 17 meters per second. T equals 6 seconds. Yes, Kweku.
84 meters.
Correct. Afua, Kobi, Ampem. No, T.I. Amass, your answer should have been 52 meters. Another common request, when I get to you, give me your answer. Name one disease that can be transmitted by mosquitoes apart from malaria. Name one disease that can be transmitted by mosquitoes apart from malaria. Presby Senior High, Bompata.
Elephantiasis.
I give to you. Afua, Kobi, Ampem.
The dengue fever.
Dengue fever, that is correct. T.I. Amass.
Dengue fever.
What?
Dengue fever.
No, please. Yes, Prempeh College.
Yellow fever. Yellow fever.
That is correct. So let's learn the others. You could also have Zika virus infection. There's chikungunya, and then the West Nile virus infection. All these are transmitted by mosquitoes. Preamble to all schools. Determine X in the given formula of the compound if its amount of substance N has mass M. Determine X in the given formula of the compound if its amount of substance N has mass M. Presby Senior High. CXH8O4 dot N. No, CXH8O4. N equals 0.015 mole and M equals 1.80 grams. So the X here is a subscript.
X equals 4.
Correct. Afua Kobi Ampem. So for all of you, the X is a subscript. So Afua Kobi Ampem, CXH12O2, N equals 0.012 mole, and M equals 1.68 grams. Kimberly.
X is equal to 6.
Correct. T.I. Amass. CXH14O3. N is equal to 0.035 mole. M equals 4.69 grams. Go ahead, go back.
X equals 5.
Incorrect. Prempeh College.
X equals 6.
Correct. Prempeh College. CXH10O6. N is equal to 0.025 mole. M is equal to 4.15 grams. Go ahead, Benedict.
X equals 5.
Correct, and that's the end of the first round.
Compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP. Wufilia. Huh? Wubefi. Goil. Good energy. Ja, ya, dia. Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Ja, ja, ja.
Amass Kumasi had 6 points. Afua Kobi Ampem Senior High School had 8 points. Presby Senior High School Bompata had 12 points. And Prempeh College had 19 points. Round 2. Contestants. In this round, I have the speed race. That means your speed will count. Each question comes to all schools. You may take turns in answering. If you are the first school to answer correctly, you earn 3 points. Second school, 2 points. Third or fourth school, 1 point. Anytime you get it wrong, you lose a point. When you're ready with your answer, you press the bell to alert me. As soon as I call you to give your answer, the clock will be set. You have 3 seconds to start giving me your answer. We have, it is, Madam, they don't qualify as you starting to give your answer. Again, if you are called and you start and you are still working, I would move on to the next school if there is any. If not, I'll just sit and wait for any school that will be ready. Be ready with your answer before you ring the bell. Please, you ring the bell once and you leave it so that another school can also ring. If you don't get it, then they can get the opportunity. I wish you all the best. We start with our speed race. Find electric field strength in a region where the scalar potential is given by negative kx squared, where k is a constant. Presby Senior High.
It is given by negative 2kx.
Incorrect. Prempeh College.
So it is given by 2kx, all in volts per meter.
All in
Volts per meter.
volts per meter. Incorrect. Did another school ring? It is 2kxi. Find the extension when 2 springs, each of spring constant, 2,000 newtons per meter, connected in parallel, are stretched together by a 4 Newton force. Yes, T.I. Amass.
1 millimeter.
Correct. Find the tension in the spring of an ideal Atwood machine with a 2 Newton weight and a 3 Newton weight attached to the ends of the string. Presby Senior High.
2.4 Newton.
Incorrect. Prempeh College.
24 newtons.
Incorrect. Amass.
12 newtons.
Incorrect. It is 2 newtons. Find the coordinates of the point of inflection of the curve y equals x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5. Yes, Presby.
1,3.
Incorrect. Who was second? Afua, Kobi, Ampem.
The coordinates are 0, positive 5 and 1,
Incorrect. Who was next to ring? Amass.
1,3.
Incorrect. 5x minus 4. Yes, Prempeh.
1, negative 1.
Correct. Find the values of the constants a and b. If the inequality ax squared plus bx minus 2 is less than 0, has solution set of x such that negative 2 over 3 is less than x less than 1 over. Yes, Prempeh.
A is equal to 9 and B is equal to 3.
Incorrect. Amass.
A is equal to negative 1 over 6.
Incorrect. Afua, Kobi, Ampem.
A is equal to 6. B is equal to positive 1.
Correct. Find the inverse of the linear transformation T such that xy maps onto x plus 2y, x plus 3y. Yes, if I could be
F inverse of x is given.
What inverse of x?
F inverse of x is given as.
You've been timed out. Did another school ring? Amass.
3x minus 2y, negative x plus y.
Incorrect. Prempeh College.
T inverse is given by S,
Please speak into the mic.
T inverse is given by x, y maps onto 3x minus 2y, negative x plus y.
Correct. Give a word that describes complete metamorphosis. Yes, Prempeh College.
Holometabolous.
Correct. What is the scientific name of the common housefly? Afua Kobi Ampem.
Malus domestica.
What?
Malus domestica.
Malus domestica. Incorrect. Who was the second? Amass.
Malus domestica.
Malus.
Domesticus.
You change your answer.
What kind of answer?
Did another school ring? Prempeh College.
Musa domesticus.
Musa domesticus. Incorrect. Another? No one. Aten? Good. It's Musca domestica. To which genus does the human flea belong? It is Pulex. Given C plus O2 going into CO2 with delta H equals negative 393 kilojoules and CO plus half O2 going into CO2 with delta H equals negative 283 kilojoules. Find delta H for C plus half O2 going into CO. Prempeh College.
So it is negative 110 kilojoule per mole.
Incorrect. It is negative 110 kilojoules. Give the sum of coefficients of all reactants and products in the balanced equation of the combustion of ammonia to produce nitrogen monoxide and yes, Prempeh College.
19.
Correct. Identify the nuclear particle released when aluminum. Identify the nuclear particle released when aluminum-27 is bombarded with an alpha particle. Yes, Afua Kobi Ampem.
A nuclei with mass number 29.
Incorrect. From alpha particle to form phosphorus 30. Yes, Prempeh College.
Neutron. Neutron.
Neutron is correct. That's the end of the speed race.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will fill ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Yeah, yeah.
We wait, 2 schools would like to make changes. Afua Kobi Ampem Girls Senior High School is bringing in Samuela Enum for Kimberly Boateng to go out. Then T.I. Amass is bringing in Geraldine Krumah for Elisha Frempong to go out. Thank you for being with us, Kimberly and Elisha. You are welcome, Samuela and Gerald. Is our protest ready? In for Benedict to go out. Thank you for being with us, Benedict. You are welcome, Festus. I've been brought this. They are both from Prempeh College. The first one, chemistry, first question. All the delta H's I had given were in kilojoules, and they gave me in kilojoule per mole. Their luck is that the compound that is formed is just 1 mole of the compound. So for that one, they would get. But please, a note of warning. Be particular about what you are given and what you are expected to give, okay? If it had been more than 1 mole, you wouldn't have gotten it. Then the second one, Prempeh College gave me an answer 2 kx volts per meter. K carries volts. X carries. So there is no unit here. And the answer is just 2 kx in the I direction. So you don't get that one. So at the end of the second round, TI Amass Kumasi had 4 points. Afua Kobi Ampem Senior High School had 5 points. Presby Senior High School Bompata had 9 points. And Prempeh College had 28 points. Contestants, this is our third round. In this round, quiet please. Audience, quiet. Please, I need the room to be quiet. Your contestants need to hear what I'm saying. I'm pleading with you. Contestants, I'll give each school a statement. You tell me whether your statement is true or false. When you are right, you earn 2 points. When you are wrong, you lose a point. If you don't answer, the bell will go out on you when your time is up. Then another school can ring to answer correctly for 2 points or lose a point when they are wrong. For this particular round, usually we have 10 seconds for each statement. But there are exceptions. I'll tell you when the exception comes. I wish you all the best. We start with our third round with Presby Senior High School. Light produced by spontaneous emission is unpolarized.
True.
Correct. Afua Kobi Ampem. Light produced by spontaneous emission is unidirectional.
True statement.
Incorrect. TI Amass. Light produced by spontaneous emission is incoherent.
False.
Incorrect. Prempeh College. Quiet, please. Light produced by spontaneous emission is invisible to the naked eye.
It is false.
Correct. Presby Senior High. Sin theta is less than 0 for pi less than theta less than 3 pi over 2.
False.
Incorrect. Afua Kobi Ampem, sin theta is decreasing for 3 pi over 2 less than theta less than 2 pi.
True.
Incorrect. Ti Amass. Quiet. Ti Amass. Sin theta is increasing for pi less than theta less than 3 pi over 2.
False.
Correct. Prempeh College. Sin theta is greater than 0 for 3 pi over 2 less than theta less than 2 pi.
False.
Correct. Animals in the class Chondrichthyes have large bodies. Presby Senior High.
True.
Correct. Afua Kobi Ampem. Animal body in the class Chondrichthyes is fusiform. Speak into the mic, please.
True.
Correct. Kindly bring down your mic. Kindly bring down your mic so that you don't have to stretch. Samuela, kindly bring down your mic so that you don't have to stretch. Thank you. Ti Amass. Scales are placoid in the class Chondrichthyes.
True.
Correct. Prempeh College. Caudal fins are usually difascical in the class Chondrichthyes.
It's true. True.
Incorrect. Presby Senior High. A physical change can change a substance into a different substance.
False.
Correct. Afua Kobi Ampem. All chemical changes are irreversible.
False.
Correct. Ti Amass. A color change can be an indication of a chemical change.
True.
Correct. Prempeh College. A chemical change always involves a change in state.
It's false.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. A canoe cycle. A canoe cycle. Presby Senior High is closed.
True.
Correct. Afua Kobi Ampem contains 2 isotherms.
False.
Incorrect. Ti Amass contains at least 1 isobar.
True.
Incorrect. Prempeh College contains at most 1 adiabat.
False.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. The given relationship is an identity. The given relationship is an identity. Presby Senior High. X squared multiplying the expression x plus 3 equals x cubed plus 3x.
False.
Correct. Afua, Kobi, Ampem. Sine 2x equals sine x cos x.
False.
Correct. T.I. Amass. Quiet. T.I. Amass. X cubed minus 1 equals the expression x minus 1 multiplying the expression x squared plus x plus 1.
True.
Correct. Prempeh College. Cos 2x equals cos squared x minus sine squared x.
True.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. Bird wings are Presby, secular.
Secular. False.
Correct. Afua, Kobi, Ampem have high aspect ratio.
True.
Correct. T.I. Amass are adapted to one-way soaring.
False.
Correct. Prempeh College promote high lift at low speed.
True.
Correct. Presby Senior High. Nylon 6 is formed by condensation.
Okay. True.
Correct. Afua, Kobi, Ampem. Teflon is formed by condensation polymerization of tetrafluoroethene monomers.
False.
Correct. T.I. Amass. Polyvinyl chloride contains CCl bonds. Go ahead.
True.
Correct. Prempeh College. A polymer made from lactic acid will likely go through condensation polymerization.
True.
Correct. And that's the end of the third round.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP, Ufilia, huh? Ubefi. Goil, good energy. Ja, ja, ja.
Senior High School had 12 points. TI Amass Kumasi had 14 points. Presby Senior High School Bompata had 22 points. And Prempeh College had 41 points. Contestants, we are starting our 4th round. But there's a message from GOL PLC to you. GOL PLC says, in this round, we have the GOL Riddle Bonanza. This bonanza will reward a school that is able to solve 3 out of 4 or all 4 riddles correctly. At this stage, if you're able to solve 3 riddles correctly, you earn 2,000. If you're able, 200 cedis, sorry. 200 cedis. If you are able to solve all 4 riddles correctly, your team will earn 400 cedis. The GOL Riddle Bonanza is proudly sponsored by GOL PLC. Good energy. I hope this is good motivation for you. You've been pumped with good energy from GOL. So in this round, I have just 4 riddles for you to solve. Each riddle comes to all of you, and once you're ready with your solution, you ring the bell to alert me. I'll give you the opportunity. You may take turns. The only catch is that if you took a turn and you are not successful, you sit out of competition for that particular riddle. I'm going to help you solve the riddle by giving you clues. If you're able to solve on clue 1, 5 points for you. Second clue, 4 points. Third, to the very last, 3 points. I wish you all the best. Riddle, riddle. I am a physical property of a material. I'm a mechanical property. I am measured in pascals. I have a small value for materials such as plastics. Yes, TI Amass.
Young's modulus.
What?
Young's modulus.
Young's modulus, incorrect. Who was second? Afua, Kobi, Ampem.
Stress. Stress.
Incorrect. Presby.
Spring constant.
Incorrect. Prempeh, the rest are for you. I am the maximum tensile stress a material can sustain without fracture. Who am I? Yes, Prempeh College.
Ultimate tensile strength.
That is correct. I am a 3-digit odd number. I'm a 3-digit odd number. I am a cube. My first digit is an identity. My second digit is a special yes, Presby.
We have 100 and we have 125.
Correct. We are vertebrates. We are vertebrates. We are limbless and slender like snakes. We inhabit tropical forests, eating worms and other invertebrates. We have small eyes and mostly blind as adults. We live almost entirely underground, but may be in water as well. Our name may sound like the name of natives of Sicily. Who are we? Yes, Presby.
Wem.
Incorrect. T.I. Amass.
Sicilians.
Come again.
Sicilians.
I'll give to you, Sicilians. This was a good guess, right? I am a concept in molecular structure and bonding. I influence molecular geometry and polarity. Yes, T.I. Amass.
Valence shell electron repulsion theorem.
Variant shell, well, whatever continues, it is wrong. I refer to two valence electrons not involved in bonding. Yes, Prempeh College.
Lone pair.
Correct. That's the end of the contest. At the end, Afua, Kobi, Ampem Senior High School had 12 points. T.I. Amass, Kumasi had 17 points. Presby Senior High School, Bompata had 25 points. So we say goodbye to Presby Senior High, Afua, Kobi, Ampem, and T.I. Amass, Kumasi. We wish you the best in whatever you do from here. Congratulations to you, Prempeh College. You won the contest with 47 points. And so you are progressing to the next stage of competition. I wish you the best. Thank you all for joining us for the 2025 Golf PLC Regional Championship from the Ashanti region. Do join us for our next contest. The Golf Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Golf PLC with support from Momo, from MTN, and Joy News. I am Dr. Gladys Odeshringa, your quiz mistress, and this is a Prime Time production. Bye for now.